Hello, it's me. I'm not dead. I'm still here. It's been a long time since I've done a video, and to be honest with you, a few people have actually messaged me to make sure I'm all right, which has been amazing. The channel's just kind of floated for, I think it's over 6 months now. Life just got in the way, guys. That's basically it. I started a new job. I left the military, and just readjusting to just life, I suppose, having a normal job and all the rest of stuff. This whole channel started off in COVID when I guess everyone had a little bit more time on their hands, and I struggled to keep up with the videos, but things are settling a little bit, and I'm still working. I'm working on these K611s. I get sent one, two, three a month sometimes, depending on what it is. You know, I get a lot of emails from around the world. Anyway, long story short, I've done this trick a few times and it's probably buried inside a video, but these K611s and all the Sony cassette decks that have this transport, I'm working on this one, and this is a bog standard 3-head Sony transport. I'm just in the process of cleaning it up and sorting it. I've just done the rotary encoder on it, and I've just put a new belt in here for the selector. But one thing I find with these quite often is, in order to strip it all out, you have to take this little cover off here. And the reason you got to take that cover off is in order to get the rest of the transport out, you have to take out this bit here. And what this bit is this is kind of a friction arm, I suppose. And it's important that it's got the friction on the shaft, which is this bit here. And when the motor spins that way, it'll move the arm that way and it'll fast forward. If it goes the other way, it'll move the arm that way and it'll rewind. So if that friction's not there, this won't work. And the thing that causes the friction is not only not having too much grease on this shaft here, but there's supposed to be a little returning washer. I don't know if you can see. Let's see if we can zoom in. There we go. That's maybe a little bit better. You can see there's a little line there where the returning washer's got to be. Look at my beautifully dressed tweezers. There's a little groove there. So if you don't have that, or it's gone missing, or somebody's been in before, they're very easy to lose, and they're also very difficult to get because you just can't get them. Because what are we now, like 2025? These things are like early 90s, mid 90s. But I have a solution. Get yourself a big pen. All right, any kind of big pen. What's this? This is a crystal, good old big pen. And pull that out. And this ink cartridge is the perfect size for this exact transport. So get yourself a blade and just take a little slice off the end. You need about 1 mil. And obviously if you have one pen, there we go. If you have one pen, it's going to last you a lot of transports. But I tend to like to do this on every transport. So, and then just, there's your little washer doobie there. The best way to put this on, believe it or not, is on the tip of your finger, because when you push it onto that shaft in there, the softness of your finger allows it to seat properly. So let's see if we can do this on camera. That's just sat on top of there. There it is. And you see it's just sat on there now. Excuse my mucky fingernails, but we'll just press that on. That's it. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. If you have one of these transports and it's struggling to stick into play or fast forward rewind, just double check that that's there. And then what you can do after that, you can replace your little cover, which, don't forget, slots into some grooves at the bottom, because if you don't slot it in, the screws won't line up. And then that's it. Off you go, playing tapes. So nice little short video here. I still have all my bits and bobs that I was planning on doing for the channel. And it'd be nice if I could, if I'm honest with you. I've just kind of finished another project which has got nothing to do with cassette tapes. It's more to do with motorbikes. But that's it really. So quick 2-minute, 3-minute video. And I will say thanks to all my most recent subscribers. It's been interesting watching the channel grow, even though I've not really done anything. 6,000 subscribers I'm up to now, which is pretty cool. So I'm gonna go and put this transport inside this this nice clean cassette deck, and hopefully you see a bit of a resurgence in the videos over the coming however long. I'm not committing to anything. We'll see. But yeah, pretty cool. I hope you're all right. I'm good. Always good, man. and keep playing and keep fixing. Peace.